Hello and welcome to Trackside 3D by oorail. So this is a quick video to introduce you to what Trackside 3D is and how it works and why you want to take a look at it. So Trackside 3D is a range of digital products that allows you to download the file and then make the 3D object physically with your 3D printer. It's quite simple. You just download the file, load it into open source software like Cura or whatever came with your 3D printer, and then send it to your 3D printer, whether it's directly or using a USB stick like this. If you happen to have a JG Aurora A5 or a Z603A printer, we will actually provide you with the G-code file as well, so you don't even need a computer to print it out. We have a range of products from these modular buildings with mix and match window frames and doors. You can also mix and match the chimney stacks. These can be painted, or you can use spray adhesive and texture paper to texture the walls. Likewise, we have these base system that allows you to connect the buildings together. We have a range of things like these point motors. This is our first point motor machine. It's a Style 63. We also have the Style 63A. This is pre-mounted on some sleepers. You can see there the detail is very, very good. And these were designed from the original Westinghouse design diagrams. We have some elevated track accessories, which makes it easier to install track on plaster cloth and stuff like that. We have a real working cable trough system. We have this platform. Like I said, we have buildings, we have bridges and viaducts, and we have many, many more products in the pipeline. So right now, you can go and you can download these off of our website. We have some for free, we have some that are a small fee, and supporting this will help not only extend our range of products, but also help keep the costs of always low. We are working on things like rolling stock, as well as other tools, buildings, signals, overhead line equipment, and so on. So there's a lot of very exciting projects we have in the works. In terms of cost and why you might want to invest in a 3D printer, this 3D printer is a JG Aurora A5. You can buy it off of either off of Amazon, or you can get it off of Gearbest or one of these other websites. And this costs less than a DCC sound loco. And once you've made the investment, the PLA, which is the plastic that you make it from, this runs just under $23 in the States. In the UK, it's under £20. You can buy it off Amazon. You can get it direct from Hatchbox. There's a whole range of companies that sell PLA, and it's environmentally friendly as well. It's made from cornstarch. Once you paint it with enamel paints, you really don't have to worry about it melting or degrading or anything like that. Moisture is a bit of a misnomer. It's really, really humid here right now in the United States, and we haven't had any problems at all with moisture and the PLA. In fact, we've run some tests putting it in water, so PLA works really, really well. In terms of cost, here's just a set of barrels and drums. It's a standard sort of mall railway accessory that you might have. Now, these typically cost a couple pounds for maybe 10 or 12 of them. So usually about 60 pence or so is the cost for one of these barrels, give or take a few pence. I can produce these with a 3D printer for less than half a penny. So in terms of mall railway accessories, you're looking at being able to produce dozens and dozens of them. I think with the barrels, I can make about 60 or more for the price of one commercially produced barrel. And on the layout, you can't tell the difference. In fact, the quality of some of these is better than some of the commercially available products. So that's basically it for this video. I want to give you guys a quick introduction to Trackside 3D. Hope you guys will take the time to check it out, give some suggestions, and hopefully maybe even invest in a 3D printer. So this is one way to keep the costs down, and obviously you don't have to worry about shipping. As soon as you download the products, you can print it out immediately to your 3D printer. And this particular 3D printer prints at about 30 millimeters per second. So even a building like this will not take too long, less than 24 hours to print. In fact, I think these buildings took about 12 hours to print in total. Alright, so hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to check out our website, trackside3d.co.uk. And obviously, you can always check out our oorail website as well, which is oorail.co.uk.